Ever since I got the truck running, I've been wanting to clean the garage out. That's what we're gonna do today. I need to get it done. It's dirty in here, not a good, I don't know. And considering how yesterday went, I got real frustrated. I don't wanna deal with that today. I'm just gonna do something pretty simple. First things first, I need to get everything out of here. Probably just gonna put it in the back of the truck. Bish bash bosh. It's all cleaned out. I made a mess. It's all right, I'll clean all that up, but now I just gotta get all the big trash out of here. Then I'll do some sweeping, do some vacuuming, and we'll be good. That's all we got from all of that. Looking a lot more clean now, though. I still need to get up in here with a vacuum, probably. This is what we got from all of that. Nice and clean now. With that done, we've got some oil spills here that I could get cleaned up. Dish soap. And elbow grease. I got to do a little bit. You can see that one's looking a little bit better. Under here is still pretty bad. But I have to go study now. So we're gonna leave all this in here. Pull it back out whenever I come back outside to get it cleaned up. We're back after the break, and that one's still really bad. This one's a little bit better. So we just keep doing what we were doing, I guess. This is all I'm willing to do tonight. As you can see, that's still there. And then these ones are definitely still there. This one wasn't for me, and all this black was not for me, but there's a big oil spill right there, that transmission fluid, that was mine. So, done with that for tonight. Maybe I'll go over it again in the morning, but I think that tomorrow will probably be a lot more work on the truck. But now I get to put all this back in there and try to sort it a little bit better than it was. I'm gonna see if the truck will fit in here with these tires stacked like that. I just think it looks better. Takes up a lot less room on the floor, so we'll see. As we can see, she fits. However, it's very tight. Real close fit there. I think I've probably got just a little bit more room that way, but it'll work out. Okay, this is what I've got it down to. I tried to condense everything over to this side. I've got that jack over there because I don't use it, it sucks. And then I've got the skateboard right here. Again, tried to condense everything over to that side. This box is a mess, and this duffel is a mess. I really want to get those figured out at some point. Maybe tomorrow, probably not. We'll see. I don't know if I've said this in a video before, but I really want to put this like over here on the wall somewhere, because then this can sort of sit down how it wants to, and then this isn't all on the truck. I think that would be cool to put it like down here, so it's got a little bit more slack in it. So it's got a little bit more slack in it, you see? And then like I can run the wire up with that one, sort of have it like that.